Well, slip off in the house. We're gonna try this today or tonight. These are crickets, real crickets. They're dead. Sour cream and onion. We're gonna try one.
Did you find them?
Let's see if they even smell. Oh man, this is for real. See crickets? You can see them. They're dead, but we're gonna try them. Shit, let's give this a shot. Whew, I'm scared to do this. How the fuck you open these? Alright. We're gonna try it. Crickets! Oh, yeah, this is them. Oh, look. If you want to see. Yeah, that's them. That's the crickets, man. Those are real crickets. We're gonna eat that shit.
He gave me a ride-in from town.
Let's see if we can get this right. I'm sorry.
How long you had that bike?
Alright.
A couple years.
Alright, let's see. This is a real cricket. Real.
Nice meeting you.
I'm already getting sick thinking about it. I gotta get some water. Alright. Alright, here we go.
Like that guy?
I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah, fine.
Another one. See, cricket.
You like Zering though, right?
Oh, I love his earring. I'm gonna get a pair for each year.
Okay, if he asks me to marry, I'll tell him I need one more time.
Okay. We're gonna try 2 of them now. Oh, gotta do it.
Mom, can I ask you a question?
Okay, 2 more left.
Did you ever like 2 guys?
Oh my god, look, the last 2.
Yeah, I did.
There we go.
Well, how did you end up choosing that?
Well, Daddy was
Done. Woo. There y'all go. Done. Woo. Woo. These are it right here. The crickets. So we did it. We're out.